Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain about the passive income streams that actually works. And basically it's about 2026 edition. So build income systems, create freedom. Passive income is not about doing nothing. It's about building systems that continue paying you long after the initial effort. In 2026, the game has evolved. AI, digital platforms, and the global marketplaces have made it easier than ever to create a scalable income. If you focus on assets, not ours, below are proven passive income streams that are working right now with insights on how to build them strategically. Digital products, low cost, high margin, for examples like ebooks, online courses, templates, Notion, Canva, business planners, printables, and design packs. Why it works in 2026? Zero inventory, global audience, AI speeds up creation, automated delivery. Your first product won't make you rich. Your system will stack multiple small digital products, build an email list, automate funnels. Over time, your catalog becomes a digital asset portfolio. Focus on solving one specific problem deeply instead of creating broad content. Dividend investing, money working for you. Dividend paying stocks and ETFs provide recurring income without selling the assets. Why it works? Compounding accelerates wealth. Automated reinvestment grows returns. Truly passive after the setup. Dividends are not about quick cash, they are about ownership. When you invest consistently, you build a machine that pays you quarterly for decades. Reinvest dividends aggressively in the early years. Let compounding become your silent partner. YouTube automation and the faceless channels with AI voice overs, script tools, and editors. Content creation is scalable. Revenue sources, AdSense, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital product sales. And why it works? Video remains the highest consumption format globally. The real asset is not the channel, it's the audience trust. Build content around searchable, evergreen topics, finance, technology, health, productivity. Focus on consistency, which is greater than virality. 100 steady videos beat 3 viral hits. Affiliate marketing, leverage other people's products, promote products, earn commission. Platforms, blogs, YouTube, email newsletters, niche websites. Why it works? No product creation required. Low startup cost, scalable globally. Random links don't sell, strategic content does. Focus on buyer intent, keywords, and real product comparisons. Build trust around. Recommend what you would see yourself. Rental income, physical asset strategy. The options are long-term rentals, short-term rentals, co-living spaces. Why it works? Housing demand is constant. Leverage amplifies returns. Cash flow matters more than appreciation. Buy based on numbers, not emotions. Outsource property management to keep it passive. Print on demand and e-commerce automation. Sell custom products without holding inventory. You design, the supplier fulfills. Why it works? No warehouse, low upfront risk, niche branding potential. Generic stores fail, niche communities win. Serve a passionate audience. Fitness moms, pet lovers, gamers, entrepreneurs. Build a brand, not just a store. The 2026 reality: passive income is built, not found. Here is the truth. It takes upfront work, it takes consistency, it takes patience. But once the system is built, income becomes predictable. How to think like a builder. Instead of asking, how can I make money fast? Ask, what asset can I build that pays me repeatedly? Wealth in 2026 belongs to creators, investors, system builders, problem solvers. The freedom formula: earn active income, convert it into assets, reinvest profits, automate everything possible. Repeat, small systems compound into big freedom. Passive income is not about escaping work, it's about choosing your work. When your income is not tied to your time, you gain flexibility, creative freedom, location independence, peace of mind. Start small, build smart, think long term. The goal is not just money, it's freedom. Why passive income? Freedom, stability, wealth, and the time. The passive income is more than a financial strategy, it's a life strategy. In 2026, relying on a single paycheck is no longer security, it's vulnerability. The world moves fast, industries evolve, technology reshapes careers overnight. Passive incomes give you leverage. Let's explore why it matters and why millions are building income systems right now. Freedom from one paycheck. Depending on one paycheck means one employer, one income source, one point of failure. Passive income creates multiple streams that protects you. True security doesn't come from a higher salary, it comes from diversified income. When money flows in from investments, digital products, royalties, or rentals, you are no longer living month to month, you are living strategically. Build income pillars so strong that losing one doesn't shake your life. Reduce the financial stress. Financial stress is one of the biggest mental burdens people carry. Bills, debt, emergencies, uncertainty. Passive income creates a cushion. Money doesn't buy happiness, it buys options, and options reduce anxiety. When your investments pay your utilities or your online businesses cover groceries, pressure decreases. Decisions become clearer. You stop reacting and start planning. Peace of mind is the ultimate return on investment. Create a long term wealth. Active income pays bills. Passive income builds wealth. Wealth is built through ownership, assets, compounding, and the time. The wealthy don't trade time for money forever. They build systems that work 24 by 7. Compounding turns small monthly investments into powerful financial engines. Digital products continue selling. Rental properties appreciate. Royalties stack. Wealth is not about quick wins, it's about patient systems. Build time flexibility. Time is the only asset you can't earn back. Passive income gives you control over your schedule, the ability to travel, more family time, space for creativity. Ultimate luxury in 2026 is not just a status, it's an autonomy. When your income is not tied strictly to clock in hours, you gain freedom to design your days. Don't just build income, build lifestyle leverage. The bigger picture, the passive income is not about avoiding work, it's about building smarter. It's about designing your future instead of reacting to it, owning assets instead of only earning wages, creating stability in an unpredictable world. You don't need 10 income streams tomorrow. You need one idea, one system, consistent execution. Over time, small systems compound into extraordinary freedom. Imagine waking up knowing your investments are growing, your digital products are selling, your assets are working. That's not luck, that's a design. Build once, benefit repeatedly, live intentionally. Passive income is not just about money, it's about freedom, the kind you build. Digital products create once, sell repeatedly, build assets that work for you. We are living in the creator economy era where knowledge, creativity, and expertise are valuable assets. Digital products are powerful because they break the traditional rule of income. You don't get paid once for your time, you get paid repeatedly for your creation. This is leverage. This is scalability. This is modern wealth building. Ebooks, your knowledge packaged and profitable. Ebooks turn your ideas into income generating intellectual property. You don't need to be a best selling author. You need a clear problem, a practical solution, a focused audience, and why it works. Low production costs, instant global distribution, evergreen earning potential, the specific sales, fitness for busy moms will outperform general fitness guide. Your lived experience is someone else's shortcut. Package it. Templates, Notion, Canva, and more solve problems fast. Templates are one of the fastest growing digital income streams in 2026. And why? People don't want complexity, they want ready made solutions. For examples, budget planners, social media content calendars, business dashboards, resume designs, and why it works. High demand, simple to create, extremely scalable, 90% plus profit margin. Efficiency is the currency. When you save someone 5 hours, they will gladly pay you. Builds tool that make people feel organized, productive, and empowered. Now the online courses they teach once and impact thousands. Online education is not slowing down; it's expanding. If you can teach a skill, share a process, deliver transformation, you can build a scalable course. Why it works? High perceived value, premium pricing potential, automation through platforms. People don't buy information, they buy outcomes. Structure your course around transformation. Before leads to the after. Become known for solving one clear problem exceptionally well. Why digital products are powerful in 2026. High margins, low startup cost, no inventory, automated delivery, global reach. Unlike physical businesses, there is no warehouse, no shipping headaches, no overheads. Once built, your product can sell while you sleep, while you travel, while you work on something new. That's the power of systems. The deeper truth: digital products rewards creativity, clarity, consistency, not the luck. Your first launch may be small, your second will improve, your 10th could change your life. The goal is not overnight success, it's building a portfolio of digital assets that compound over the time. Imagine waking up to a course sale notification, an ebook download, template purchases from around the world, not because you traded hours, but because you built something once and build it well. Create value, package knowledge, build once, sell repeatedly. That's modern leverage. That's digital greatness. YouTube automation: build once, earn repeatedly, grow without showing your face. In 2026, you don't need to be famous to build influence. You don't need to show your face to build income. You need a strategy, systems, and consistency. YouTube automation is about creating content assets that generate revenue long after they are published. It's not about chasing attention, it's about building digital real estate. No need to show your face. Many successful channels today are voiceover based, animation driven, stock footage curated, AI narrated. This lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. Your value is in your ideas, not your appearance. If you can research, script, and package useful content, you can build a profitable channel without stepping in front of a camera. Let your masses lead. Your face is optional. Multiple income streams from one platform. YouTube is powerful because it is not just like ads. Revenue sources include YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, digital product sales, course promotions. One video can earn in 5 different ways. Don't just think views, think monetization layers. A 20,000 view video with a strong affiliate strategy can outperform a 22 lakhs views video with no funnel. Build a monetization ecosystem, not just a channel. Unlike social media posts that disappear in the hours, YouTube is a search engine. Evergreen content can generate views for months, years, even decades. One strong video today can still pay you in 2028. Each upload is a digital employee. The more quality videos you publish, the larger your content workforce becomes. Build a library, not a moment. Consistency is greater than the viral moments. Virality is unpredictable. Consistency is controllable. Many people quit after 10 videos, 3 months, low early views, but YouTube rewards creators who stay. Insights: 100 steady uploads with 3 viral hits. Momentum builds quietly before it explodes publicly. Focus on clear niches, searchable topics, repeatable format, weekly publishing schedule. Show up even when the algorithm is quiet. Growth compounds. Why YouTube automation works in 2026. Global audience, AI tools to speed production, scalable team outsourcing, long-term discoverability, multiple monetization streams. The barrier to entry has dropped. The opportunity has expanded. The creators who win are not the loudest, they are the most disciplined. Imagine having 50 plus evergreen videos, affiliate links converting daily, sponsors reaching out, ad revenue compounding monthly, all from content you built strategically, not overnight, not by luck, but by the system. You don't need millions of subscribers, you need momentum. You don't need to go viral, you need to stay consistent, build value, build trust, build assets. Let your videos work while you focus on the next opportunity. That's not just YouTube, that's leverage. Affiliate marketing: recommend value, earn commissions, build income through the trust. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful income models in the digital age because you don't need to create a product to create profit. Recommend products, share honest insights, earn commissions per sale. It's performance based income built on value and the trust. Recommend products that solve real problems. Affiliate marketing is not about posting random links, it's about helping someone choose the right tool, comparing options honestly, sharing real experiences, saving people time and mistakes. People are already searching for solutions. Your job is to guide them. When someone is looking for the best camera, software, fitness gear, or course, they want clarity. If you provide it, commissions flow naturally. Be a trusted advisor, not a salesperson. This is performance leverage. You earn when someone clicks your link, make a purchase, take a specific action, and the beauty. Once well ranking blog post or video can generate commissions daily, weekly, for years. Small commissions compound. A $20 commission earned 5 times per day becomes $100 per day. That is leading to $3,000 per month, and that is leading to $36,000 per year. That's the power of consistent traffic. Focus on scalable content, not one-time wins. Affiliate marketing integrates seamlessly with YouTube reviewers, blog articles, Instagram reels, TikTok tutorials, email newsletters. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right audience, the right problem, the right product. Niche beats noise. A small audience deeply interested in one topic is far more profitable than a large, unfocused following. Serve a community, not the entire internet. This is the most important principle. Affiliate marketing succeeds when you are transparent, you disclose partnerships, you recommend what you truly believe in. Trust compounds faster than algorithms. When your audience believes you, they click, they buy, they return. Income follows integrity. Long term affiliate success is not about tricks, it's about relationships. Protect your credibility like it's currency because it is. Why affiliate marketing works in 2026: low startup cost, no inventory, no customer service, unlimited earning potential, scalable with content. You don't need to ship products, you don't handle returns, you focus on content and connection. Imagine creating 30 high quality review articles, 50 helpful YouTube videos, a weekly email newsletters. Each piece becomes a digital asset earning quietly in the background. That's not luck, that's a strategic positioning. Affiliate marketing is simple in concept: help people make better decisions, earn when they act. But the greatness comes from consistency, integrity, long term thinking. Build trust, provide clarity, recommend responsibly. When you become known as a person who simplifies choices, income becomes a natural outcome. That's not just affiliate marketing, that's influence with purpose. Dividend investing and REITs. Earn by holding, grow by waiting, win by compounding. In a world obsessed with fast money, dividend investing is a quiet power move. You don't chase hype, you don't trade daily, you don't panic at every headline. You own quality assets and you get paid for holding them. That's patience with purpose. Earn by holding shares. Dividend investing is simple in principle. Buy shares of strong companies, receive a portion of their profits, get paid consistently. Real estate investment trusts, that is known as REITs. You can also earn from commercial buildings, apartments, warehouses, healthcare properties without owning physical property yourself. You are not just investing money, you are buying income producing ownership. Your capital becomes a worker that reports for duty every quarter. Think like an owner, not a trader. The magic of compounding over time. The compounding is not flashy, it's exponential. Reinvest your dividends, and something powerful happens. Your share count increases, your future payouts increases, your income grows automatically. Example of compounding power: $500 investment monthly, reinvested dividends, 10 to 20 years of patience. The snowball becomes unstoppable. Time is the greatest multiplier. The earlier you start, the less effort you need later. Let time do the heavy lifting. Lower effort, long term strategy. Dividend investing and REITs are ideal for people who prefer stability over speculation, value consistency over excitement. Think in decades, not the days. You don't need to monitor charts hourly. You need discipline, diversification, and the patience. Activity does not equal productivity. Sometimes the smartest move is holding steady. Wealth rewards calm confidence. Why REITs are powerful? REITs allow everyday investors to benefit from real estate income without property management, tenants, maintenance, large down payments. Many REITs distribute income monthly or quarterly, making them attractive for cash flow seekers. Real estate income without landlord headaches. That's leverage and simplicity combined. Invest in systems that operate without your daily involvement. Why dividend investing works in 2026: predictable income streams, compounding growth, lower emotional stress, scalable with consistent investing, ideal for retirement planning. It's not about getting rich next month. It's about becoming financially unshakable over time. Imagine reaching a point where your dividends cover your utilities, your REIT payouts handle groceries, your investments grow while you sleep. That's not hype, that's patient strategy. Dividend investing is not for the impatient, it's for the visionary. It's for those who understand that small amounts at plus consistency plus time is equivalent to extraordinary results. You don't need to predict the market. You need you need to participate in it. Your own assets, reinvest wisely, stay patient, let compounding turn discipline into freedom. That's not just investing, that's building lasting wealth. The reality check: real wealth is built, not rushed. Let's be honest. Passive income is powerful, but it is not a magic. Behind every overnight success is months of invisible work, dozens of failed attempts, countless small improvements. The truth is not discouraging, it's empowering. Because once you understand the reality, you stop chasing shortcuts and start building assets. Not an instant money. If it were instant, everyone would be financially free. Real passive income takes setup, requires testing, demands learning. Your first digital product may sell slowly. Your first YouTube videos may get 50 views. Your first investments may feel small. That's normal. Slow beginnings create strong foundations. The people who win are not the fastest starters, they are the last ones standing. Fall in love with the progress, not the speed. There is no escaping effort, but there is a difference between temporary effort and endless effort. Passive incomes requires concentrated work upfront so that your system can work later. You write once, you film once, you design once, you invest once, then the asset continues. Front load the effort, back end the reward. That's the leverage. Work intensely now so you can work intelligently later. Systems are greater than motivation. Motivation fades, systems remain. If you rely on feeling inspired, waiting for the perfect mood, acting only when excited, you will stop too soon. Instead, build systems, weekly publishing schedule, automatic investment transfers, content production workflow, clear financial tracking. Discipline creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. When your actions are system driven, progress becomes inevitable. Design your environment to win, even on low energy days. Long term commitment wins. We live in a fast world, but wealth is slow. The 1 to 3 year mark is where most people quit. The 5 to 10 year mark is where wealth becomes undeniable. Compounding works for content, investments, businesses, reputation. Consistency outperforms intensity. 1 hour daily for 5 years beats 1 month of obsession followed by quitting. Commit long enough to get compounding reveal its power. The bigger perspectives are the reality check is not mean to discourage you, it's mean to prepare you. Because once you accept it's not instant, it requires effort, systems matter, time rewards patience. You stop looking for hacks and start building the legacy. Imagine 5 years from now, your investments have grown, your content library generates income, your digital products sell consistently, your stress has decreased, not because you got lucky, but because you stayed. Build patiently, act consistently, trust compounding. The reality check is not harsh, it's the blueprint for greatness. Your action plan, the clarity, commitment, consistency, and the scale. Ideas are powerful, but execution changes lives. Most people fail not because opportunities are missing, they fail because they try to chase too many at once. If you truly want passive income that works, follow this focused action blueprint. Pick one stream, not three, not five, one. Whether it is digital product, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, dividend investing, choose one path that matches your skills, your interests, your available time. Energy divided weakens results. Energy concentrated creates momentum. When you focus on one stream, your learning accelerates, your results compound faster, your confidence gets built up. Mastery beats multitasking. Commit for 6 to 12 months. This is where most people hesitate. They test for 30 days. They expect instant validation. They quit too early. Real systems need time to breathe. A 6 to 12 month commitment allows skill development, audience growth, SEO traction, investment compounding, product optimization. Time filters the serious from the curious. If you commit long enough, competition naturally decreases. Decide once and execute daily. Focus on consistency. Consistency is a multiplier. Publish weekly, invest monthly, improve daily. You don't need explosive growth. You need steady momentum. Small actions repeated beat big actions abandoned. Consistency builds trust, algorithms, compounding, and the confidence. The world rewards reliability. Show up even when the results are quiet. Scale once profitable. Here is the discipline. Do not scale chaos. Scale systems that work. Once you see predictable sales, steady views, reliable commissions, consistent dividends, then increase the output. Reinvest profit. Outsource tasks. Expand strategically. Proof first. Expansion second. Scaling too early drains resources. Scaling wisely multiplies results. Grow with intention, not the impulse. Success is not complicated, it's structured. Choose clarity over confusion. Choose commitment over excitement. Choose systems over motivation. Choose patience over the shortcuts. That's how income becomes a freedom. Imagine 1 year from today, you didn't dabble, you didn't quit, you didn't chase trends, you focused, you committed, you built something real, and now it's paying you back. The opportunity is not rare. Discipline is. Pick one path, stay the course, scale with the confidence. Your future self is built by what you consistently do today. Now the call to the action. Your move starts now. You have seen the possibilities. You understand the strategy. Now comes the most important step is ideas don't change lives. Decisions do. Which passive income stream will you start? Will it be digital products, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, dividend investing? There is no perfect choice. There is only the choice you commit to. Clarity creates momentum. The moment you decide, your brain shifts from dreaming to building, from consuming to creating, from watching others win to become the one who wins. Declare your move. When you comment your chosen path, you increase accountability, you anchor your commitment, you inspire others to act. Success grows faster in community. Your comment might be the push someone else needs to start. Public commitment builds private discipline. We are not here for hype, we are here for systems. When you subscribe, you are choosing practical strategies, long term thinking, real asset building, freedom focused growth. This is about more than income, it's about transformation. Imagine looking back 12 months from now and saying, that was the moment I stopped scrolling and started building. Not because everything was perfect, but because you decided to begin. Choose your stream, comment it below, commit to it for 6 to 12 months, then watch what happens when consistency meets clarity. This is not just content, it's a movement towards financial freedom. Your next chapter starts with the one decision, and what will it be? So let's take the decision, take the right decision with based upon the data. And with these words, I would like to end this video. Hope you will be enjoying this. If you like this video, then please support me with the likes and the subscription to this channel. And if you feel there is a improvement required or the feedback, so you can mention it in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.